Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint detox water. To begin, you will need a few simple ingredients. First, gather about 1/4 cup of fresh mint leaves. Next, prepare 8 cups of filtered water. You might also want to include some optional fruits like sliced lemon or cucumber for added flavor and benefits. This refreshing drink is a wonderful way to hydrate and enjoy a natural, invigorating beverage. Now, let's prepare your ingredients for maximum flavor. First, gently wash your fresh mint leaves under cool water. Then, lightly bruise the mint leaves by pressing them with the back of a spoon or by gently tearing them. This simple step helps release their aromatic oils, intensifying the minty flavor in your water. If you are adding fruits, slice them thinly to allow for better infusion. With your ingredients prepared, it's time to assemble your detox water. Carefully place the bruised mint leaves and any sliced fruits, like lemon or cucumber, into a large pitcher or glass jar. Next, pour the 8 cups of cold, filtered water directly over the ingredients. Give it a gentle stir to ensure everything is well combined. This simple combination is the foundation of your refreshing drink. The final step is infusion. Place your pitcher of mint detox water into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For an even more intense taste, you can let it infuse overnight. Remember to remove the solid ingredients after about 24 hours to prevent bitterness. Serve your delicious mint detox water chilled and enjoy its refreshing benefits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.